Hi Zena. So here's I'm in the back end of the site now and under the themes under edit code, and I'm looking at these two files. Okay, the settings.schema.json should be where your font picker is stored, and it should look like this. Okay, and then basically we would have just taken this value, and it would have called in that font into the picker. However, this is a schema dot settings.schema.json file, but they changed it, and that's now not in here anywhere. So they've got the font picker somewhere else, and it's probably hidden. It's probably in the Shopify section that you're not able to edit, simply because of this theme. I don't if it's just because it's one of the baseline themes. I'm not sure. But they've changed it now. But I did bring in all of the fonts here. This is the import into the CSS, and then under the assets files, here they are, all in this section. Okay, and then all I did right here is just added a declaration for all of the HTML elements, all of the basic HTML elements, to take the new digital 7 font instead of the others. So now you can take some of those out if you don't want that. If you don't want headings to be that, you can remove some of the headings. If you don't want the body text, the paragraph tags, you can take that out. You can put one in if you want to put in, say, the block quote. You want it to be whatever you want to do. And then you can also use you can use them in a class, my class name, for whatever. If you want to style a div or style a span, and then you can use font family digital 7. And then I use the important qualifier, because with a lot of themes like this and framework systems, they will tend to override custom CSS like this. But the important tag gives you a better shot of actually catching it, right? So if if you wanted to use my class name, you would just somewhere else in the HTML of the page, you would actually just add this class name. Okay. If you go to the site, and then you will look at one of the, you can see that's using the new it's using the new font. But if you look at a setting, all right, and we scroll down to the section of this right here is the section of the CSS that we were editing. If you watch the font and we uncheck that, you can see it change back and forth between the fonts. Okay, so something up here, it's missing in the cart. I'm not sure exactly what. Oh, it's the icon class. So you could actually you could override this by doing need to do quotes. All right. And it should reverse it there. I don't know if that did it or not. We're probably on the wrong section. But anyways, oh, that's a link. That's why. Yeah, I see it changed right there. All right, and now if you change it, it goes back and forth. So, if you wanted to add that to it, you could add, if you felt like you wanted to just also do the links, you could add the A tag. So basically, you can pick and choose what you want to assign this based on, but you got to make the changes back here in the theme.scss.liquid file. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful. I'm going to go ahead and deliver the order, and I'm going to post this. I'm going to post all of this code that I've entered in here, this custom code, and I'm also going to post the link for this video, which is going to be an unpublished URL, and I'll leave it up there for you to check back in if you need to. Okay? Thanks for ordering me my gig. I really appreciate it. Every little bit helps. Thanks again.